We've all heard about the LS7 valve drop issue caused by either the valve guides or the valves themselves. So prior to getting the Z06, I knew getting the heads fixed would be a top priority. Drove the car for about 50 miles, took the heads off, sent them off to West Coast Cylinder Heads. Got the heads put and polished, swapped out the bronze valve guides and the two-piece exhaust valve for one-piece stainless steel. But don't get me wrong, there are some people who've driven 70, 80, 90,000 miles with no issue on factory exhaust valves. But this is something I had to do for my peace of mind. I just want the motor more reliable, so parts plus tuning came up to about $5 grand, which isn't bad. With the motor taken apart, I figured I'd do a few upgrades. Went with a comp cam, 237, 250. I was able to pick up some assembly lube from AutoZone. You want to get it nice, a nice coat on there. You want to keep the...
Your head bolts, and then we got water pump and timing machine.
Is the crank bolt gonna be here?
Let's see. The crank bolt should be one now.
Got a call that the heads were ready for pickup. Can't wait to see them. Track car. Shit's a clean. Maybe. Corvettes. Got the daily right there. It's a race car. Oh man, let's see. Oh yeah, of course. Yep, that can look good. Been on these bad boys for a minute. It was about a 4-week turnaround time.
So don't forget,
Yeah.
this is the back.
Okay.
There's a left and a right,
Yep.
even though they look the same. But if you do it backwards, then you have to drill these out, and then you have to put plates on here. So these are already blocked off. See that?
Yep.
So whatever you do, these go in the back. The open is always in the
this car. This thing's clean. Right. Yeah. So right now I'm just getting my angles.